Hi, Nas Moms! So, I'm feeling a little under the weather kasi siguro pagod din because of the move. And just to be sure, para hindi lang ako praning kasi parang 2 nights ko na siyang nafe-feel na parang mabigat yung chest ko, tapos parang meron akong makati sa throat. So, I got my own Aria na COVID-19 antigen test kit. And this one, very high yung sensitivity niya. So, especially if may nafe-feel na kayo, hindi na siya magfa-false negative. If meron na kayong symptoms, if you have COVID-19, yung SARS-CoV-2, madedetect niya talaga siya. So, inside the box, merong nasal swab. Nakalagay siya dito para hindi siya mabend. So, you just pull that. And then, put it aside. And then, this is the bottle. Parang ito yung solution niya. Okay. When you open the box, meron ditong QR code that you have to scan. When you scan it, merong nurse na mag-a-assist sa inyo. But since I have done this many times, pwede ko na siyang gawin on my own. Yan. And then, this one is the test kit. So you just have to, everything is sealed. You just have to open this one. And then inside, merong parang card. So it says pag nagdalawang line dito, it's positive, and then this one is negative. Ayan. Then after I swab myself, isushoot ko dito sa B para lumusot siya dito sa A. And meron siyang adhesive that you remove and you attach like that. Okay? So start na tayo. This one, it says peel here. Just remove that. It's important na hindi natin matouch itong swab. So, dito lang tayo sa stick. And we hold it almost, yan, ganyan. Yan yung turo sa akin ng nurse eh. Medyo merong space before the mismong swab. Okay? So, the finger should touch the end of your nose when you swab. And then you ikot-ikot 5 times. Ikot-ikot 5 times. Ganun lang. Other side. Important lang is kuha niyo yung sa sides ng nose. And mas maganda din sa morning. Yan. So, it will look like that. We insert it dito sa B. Wait, yan. Insert it dito sa B para lumusot siya hanggang sa A. And you put it on a flat surface. And this one is the diluent bottle. Meron siyang solution sa loob. You just twist this off. Mabilis lang siyang ma-remove. And then, all of its contents, idodrop natin sa letter A. Yan. After na-drop na natin lahat ng contents dito sa A, we will now remove yung double-sided adhesive. And then, we close it. Yan. Okay. Dapat nasa flat surface eh. So, hindi ko na siya pwedeng iangat. I'll show you na lang. So, the best reading, you have to wait 5 minutes. 5 minutes, sorry, 15 minutes. Pero, slowly, makikita na natin yung line. Kung positive siya, makikita natin yun agad. Yan. So, this is helpful. Ayan, makikita ninyo na, can you see? 'Yan. Makikita ninyo yung parang liquid niya umaangat. 'Yan. So, this is helpful. Ayan, makikita ninyo na, can you see? 'Yan. Makikita ninyo yung parang liquid niya umaangat. 'Yan. So, this is helpful. Ayan, makikita ninyo yung parang liquid niya umaangat. 'Yan. The important part is walang line dito sa baba. Yung line dito sa taas, it means negative. And pag nag 2 lines siya, it means positive. So you just wait for that na matapos. It's really nice na meron tayong easy na test kit. And high yung sensitivity rate niya. Kasi sometimes we get false negative if mali yung pagkakaswab or mali rin yung timing. So sometimes you were exposed pero masyado kayong early nag-swab and you don't have symptoms yet, tapos nag-swab na kayo, you can get a false negative. Pero if you already have symptoms, pwede nyo na siyang gawin. Kasi pag may symptoms ka na, automatic, pag positive ka, it will show talaga na positive ka. Okay, so since this one is showing that I'm negative, I can go to work without worrying na mahahawa ko yung mga girls ko. Yan. So, happy 1 line, not happy 2 lines. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm going to work now. Bye!